If you have an overripe banana and you don't know what to do with it, come closer. This video is for you. Do not throw your overripe banana away. Come, I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can use your overripe banana to make delicious, tasty, and good snacks. For this recipe, we need 2 overripe banana. Yes, we need 2 overripe banana to make this recipe. As you can see, I'm mashing this banana with my fork. You can use potato masher to mash it. Whatever that is easy for you, you can use, but I decided to use fork to mash this banana. So mash this banana until it's very, very soft. We use 2 eggs for this recipe. As you can see, I'm cracking the egg into the banana. Give it a thorough and a nice mix until it's well mixed together. Add your butter. Here I added sugar and I added salt. So I'm putting my flour. And throw out the lumps. I silver the flour, so the excessive lump I threw it out. So right now I'm mixing everything together. Make sure you mix it thoroughly until it's smooth, until it's nice, until it's fluffy, until it forms a nice consistency. So I added baking powder. That's half tablespoon of baking powder. And continue to mix. Now we have a very soft and a smooth consistency. Keep mixing it until it's properly smooth. So if you have watched up until this moment, I want you to subscribe to the channel. I want you to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this recipe with your overripe banana. If it's a yes for you or if it's a no for you, let me know. So we are adding our oil in the pot, into the pot or the fry pan or anything you're using for this to fry these buns. So here I'm gonna be scooping the buns and I'm gonna be putting it inside the oil. I just put the spoon in the oil so it doesn't get stick to the spoon. So I prefer to use my spoon so that we could get a nice bun shape. So I'm testing the oil to see if the oil is hot enough. We don't want the oil to be too hot. You should be using a medium to low heat oil to fry your buns. This is not puff puff, this is buns. So continue to scoop and put in your oil. fry until it's done. Right now it's done, and I'm trying to take it out of the oil and put it in a strainer. Sometimes if your oil is too hot, the buns tends to open up when you're frying it, because the heat of the oil, just pop it open, but it's still okay. So I'm checking on the buns, and I looked at it and I said, yes, it's well fried. Guys, this is looking beautiful. This is looking appetizing. This is looking delicious. This is so fluffy. I tell you, besties, you need to try this. You have an overripe banana in your house, don't bother throwing it away. It could serve a purpose, and one of the purposes the overripe banana could serve is this. So try this out and let me know in the comment section what it looks like or what you achieve. So we just put the second batch and it's fried. Guys, see how lovely this is looking. This is looking appetizing. Yeah, this snacks is the best. So besties, love you and see you in my next video. From me is bye.